What's up, everybody?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
We are kicking up our 2025 season with the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo here in Sandy, Utah.
And this has probably been one of the coolest events that we've been to. If you see behind us, we're with our friends Ultimate Performance UTV. You can see the back of their Turbo S. But one of the coolest things that we're going to bring you this year is this custom build from Ultimate Performance UTV for the On the Rocks build. We can't wait for you to see this. So we're going to go hit up Nick and Whitney so we can do a full walk down around this build so you can see all of the amazingness. We'll also have links to their website as well as the build for On the Rocks, so that way if you see a product or something else that you need, please reach out to us or Ultimate Performance UTV and we'll get you covered.
All right, let's do it.
Stay tuned.
Hey guys, Nick and Whitney, Ultimate Performance UTV. Just wanted to bring you guys, let you know what we got going on with On the Rocks.
Hey guys, 2025 SLOREX, this is our build for the year, and we're super excited to go over it with you, so we're going to dive in. On the front of the car here, you've got the Super ATV Long Travel Custom Powder Coat by Resurrection Motorsports, accompanied by 4-inch dual idler portals. Tires are over tires, and wheels are Alba Rally beadlocks. Custom powder coat again from Resurrection Motorsports. This side of the car, the concept is tacos. So as you can see, all of the additional add-ons, everything is blue on the concept. We've got this guy accompanied by the tacos, and there is a reason. We'll show you here in a second. Up front, inside, we've got a custom DRT billet grab handles, DRT steering wheel with quick release hub, Ryco turn signal kit, Viper gated shifter, the passenger DRT grab handle. Inside the cab there at the floor, you will see topside ST's custom floor mats and also PRP's brand new custom seat covers. Up above, you're going to have the 12-gang switch panel from GG Lighting. That accompanies all of our accessories there. We can turn them off super easy. And DRT's brand new sun visors, these haven't even been released yet. Super pumped on those. Up above, you're going to have the AJK roof rack. We've got all of our goodies stored up there. Some solar panels, step stools, and everything, so nicely secured. Also the Jack Daddy custom mount. Jack Daddy did customize their mount so that we can get this tall thing able to be utilized for the tires. Inside again, you'll see the PRP custom seat covers and the ST topside ST floor mats on the rear. On the exterior of the car, we have DRT side vents here. Union Graphic was able to incorporate all of their wrap through them, so nice clean look. And then Viper billet whip mounts there with mega whips. DRT has their fender vents here on the edge. And then another great feature that we have here that we missed at the bottom is our custom electric power steps. Easy in and close up as soon as you're in the car. Coming around to the rear of the car, we've got Graphic Designer has customized our shock stickers for us. We do this on all of our cars here at the shop. And our fun part about this is our custom bed. We're going to have Nick come around the back here and he'll talk to you about all the custom features on our bed.
Yeah, so like Whitney said, guys, we got this totally custom done. Ultimate Performance came up with this idea. We got with our friends over at AK Manufacturing. Kind of designed it, made sure that it was a one-off piece dedicated directly to what we had going on with the tacos and margaritas theme on the rocks, obviously. So we've got everything in here from slider trays to keeping everything secure, organized, custom sliders here. We've got all of our custom spices, black pepper, meat seasoning, salt, water and oil. Got everything in there. Awevo Creations designed these, got these all dialed up for us. So perfectly secured, airtight. That way we don't have any dust or anything that's sitting in there swirling around. Coming back here to the back, guys, this is the meat and potatoes, or else I guess I should say the carne adobado and tortillas. So we've got our 21-inch grill that we like to cook all of our tacos and stuff on. Little bit of accessories and everything for it. Custom drop down hitch. That away, obviously this car is super tall, so we've got sitting it up in the air. So we've got the custom drop down hitch here that we've designed for any style of riding and any style of grill or anything like that. So that drops down, it swivels all the way over here, guys. It opens up all the way outside to the driver's side of it. Closes, everything comes apart nice and easy, stores away inside of here, pushes it up against that. Moving on over to our custom design tray. Basically what we did here is we wanted to make sure that this thing was able to take the weight of this stuff. We've got a 41-inch, cubic inch, I guess, fridge freezer, a 3,000 watt Jackery, margarita machine. So guys, this thing's got lots of weight back here. So the way that we designed this was to make sure that we could not only just hold 500 pounds, 600 pounds, whatever it would be. We doubled these up to make sure that it can take the weight. So when you're opening and closing this thing, it's super easy to do. Makes everything nice and smooth. So moving to the upper tray. The upper tray, obviously this is our storage rack. This is kind of where we keep all of our propane bottles, all of our storage stuff. Moving over to the side, this is my favorite part of this build because you have customizable drink dispenser. So whether you like whiskey, tequila, rum, you name it, we have it. Margarita salt, tahini, gotta have all the goods for all the mixed drinks. Super easy, guys. Grab your cup, push it up against there, pours you a 25 milliliter shot, ready to rock and roll. One's not enough, grab you another one. So moving on down, guys, the 270-degree canopy brought to you by Open Road. Put this thing on here so it goes 270 degrees all the way around the unit, protecting the side, coverage over the back. So just kind of going over all of that stuff. Like Whitney mentioned, they are side specific. I'm sure you guys notice these things. Color wise, we split it right down the middle. So this one is the lady side, definitely with the margarita stuff. So she's custom designed this stuff. Like she mentioned, we worked with Union Wrap Company out of Hurricane, Utah. These guys were phenomenal to work for. So these guys designed it exactly how Whitney wanted it, made sure that we customized it and put all of the sponsors that helped us along this build. Getting inside of here, it's got full ceramic window tint. Just kind of opening up for you guys, letting you know what we have going on this side. So just like all the other Expeditions, we've got the full sub down here on the floor. Lots of sound. JBL's power in this car right here. So we've got all those sound here, sub, customizable. One thing that I do like about this car, because of the Expeditions are super hard to get in and out of when it comes to being a full-grown adult. So we added these customized limit extenders. That way you can get the full door open and closed. Access to the back seat should be good to go. Moving on along back up to the front, what we've got up here, I just wanted to highlight a little bit about our lighting, guys. This build, we decided to go with GG lighting. Wanted to make sure that we could brighten the trails, make sure everything was good to go. We went up here on the top, made a custom light bar that we designed to make sure that we hid all the wiring and everything, make sure that we're brighting up the night light with that. Dropping on down to our custom bumper from DRT. We've got our grill, bumper. Guys, the best thing that we like about this thing right here is our DRT inserts. These, not only have they thought ahead, but they've provided you with two different installs. So you've got the mesh grill that we've got here on this one, just because we mounted the pods up top. They also send you with an insert that has the pod cutout already in it. So that does come with your bumper as well. We love DRT product just because it's simple, sleek, matches the body lines on the machine. Paired it up with a Factor 55 ProLink XTV and Fairlead from DRT.
And that is a very quick rundown, guys, of our On the Rocks build. If you guys have any questions, we have a link that we're going to post to this video that's going to give you a full wraparound of all of these products from our website. We are a DRT dealer as well, so we're able to help you get any of the products that you see on this Expedition that you're interested in.
Guys, you see something that you like, reach out to us. Like Whitney said, there will be a link below. If you have any questions, let us know. Guys, we just want to give a minute and thank our sponsors for making all this happen. We sell all the products that we put on this vehicle because we believe in this stuff. Anything that you need, we can reach out and make sure that it happens, guys. But we want to give a huge shout out to the people that made this possible to help this build get going. So let me run down that list. We've got Two Brothers Construction from Farmington, New Mexico. Obviously, the 505 Outsiders helping us make sure everything is perfect. Awevo Creations, we've got AJK, as Whitney mentioned, with the roof rack. AK Manufacturing, we can't thank you enough for opening up your doors for us, making sure that we had everything we needed, whether it's the plasma table or the bin tubing, whatever we needed. Thank you guys so much. Alba Racing, CF&M, DRT, Gilliman, Graphic Designer, Jack Daddy, Ober, Pepe's Media, PRP, Resurrection Motorsports, Ryco, Super ATV, Topside ST, Viper, and Zebras. Guys, none of this would have been possible without them. So if you need any product and you love it right here, come see us. Let us know what you need and we'll get you taken care of.
Yep. Thank you guys. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Follow 505 Outsiders on YouTube. Make sure to follow ultimateperformanceutv.com and check us out. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.